Delapan lagi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I want to say thank you, sir, for let us present today. So, our group is Group 8. My name is Patra Lalita and my friend Amanda Risma. And we're gonna explain our discussion. The title is Structure, Complexity, and the Efficiency of Explicit Grammar Instruction by Alex Hausen, Michelle Buard, and Siska Vandal. So, in this article or journal, there's two research questions, which is one, does explicit grammar instruction help students learn a second language? And then the second one is, does grammar complexity affect how effective that instructor is? And then, what does explicit grammar instruction mean? There's four that we find. The first one is the teacher explaining the rule clearly, and then number two, students understand how the rule works, and then number three, students practice using the rules, and then number four is example, teacher explain how passive sentence work, not just give example. And then it's okay. And the previous research indicates that the effect of explicit instruction for second language acquisition depends on the complexity on the target teachers, but the exact relationship between complexity and instruction remains unclear. So this article, the first part is discuss about the concept of explicit instruction, and then number two, or the second part is describe an experiment which examined the effect of explicit instruction on second language learning. There is simple versus difficult grammar. The researchers studied two types of grammar. The first, simple grammar. The example is French negation. It's very common and easy to notice. And then the second one is difficult grammar. It's French passive voice and less common or more confusing. So the next is about who joined the study. The subject of this research are 69 Dutch-speaking learners of French foreign language, and the age are from 14 until 15 years old, in three in-tech classes. One class received explicit instruction on the simple structure, and then the second one received explicit instruction on the complex structure, and then the third class is received no instruction at all. And then next, how were the students grouped? So there is three groups. Group one is learning difficult grammar or passive French with clear explanation. Then group B learn simple grammar is French negation with clear explanation too. And then the group C or the group with no control or no instruction at all. So, for 4 weeks, students learn by grammar rules explanation, like reading text, and then finding the grammar in the sentences, and then practicing sentences, speaking practice, and with the same teaching method at the same time. So, in this class, there's structure versus rule, but really important. They are really different from each other. The structure are actual grammar feature and the language, and then the rule itself is the teacher's explanation of how students use the language with the grammar. Different different group is different knowledge of the target. So each task consists of pre-test and post-test. And then the task is really various in the degree of planning and activation of explicit versus implicit language knowledge, like grammatically judgment, and then controlled written production tasks, and unplanned oral correction tasks. So in grammar judgment, like the example is this sentence correct or not? It's explicit knowledge. And then writing task is change sentences using grammar rules. And then the speaking task is answer question without any preparation. So the students literally speaking with their own knowledge with the grammar. And the next presentation gonna be present with Amanda.
Next is explain by explain about why the speaking test is important. The speaking test, so there is three. The one is real language use, two not memorizing, three no time to think. If student improve here, it means grammar is become automatic. Next, next is what did the result show? Student who got grammar explanation wrote better, spoke quickly, used grammar more often, even when speaking without planning. Based on the results, students who received clear grammar explanation saw better performance. They were able to write better, speak more accurately, and use grammar more often. Interestingly, this improvement also appeared when students spoke without planning. This shows that grammar explanation really helps students use language more naturally. Next, next is did difficult grammar help more? Interesting results. One student learning difficult grammar often improved more. Two, but the difference was not always big enough to be sure. So grammar explanation have both simple and difficult grammar. An interesting result from the study is that students who learn difficult grammar often saw more improvement. However, the difference was not always big enough to be fully certain. Even so, this tells us that grammar explanation is helpful for both simple and difficult grammar, not just basic topics. Next, the conclusion. In conclusion, clear grammar explanation really helps students learn a language. It helps improve writing skill, speaking skill, and even understanding difficult grammar. This proves that grammar teaching is not useless. In fact, grammar can help students speak better and more confidently. Next. Okay. Why this matters for students? This means one, grammar is not just for exams. Two, grammar helps real communication, and the last, understanding rules can make speaking easier. This is important for students because grammar is not only for exams. Grammar also helps real communication. When students understand grammar rules, they can speak more easily and express their ideas more clearly in daily conversations. Next, grammar is not the enemy when explained clearly. Grammar can one makes language clearly, two makes speaking more confident, and the last makes learning faster. Grammar is not something students should be afraid of. When grammar is explained clearly, it makes language clearly, helps students feel more confident when speaking, and makes the learning process faster and more effective.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.